Have you ever looked at someone and thought, why do things always work out for them? Like they always get what they want, opportunities just fall into their lap, and even when they mess up, somehow the universe still rewards them. No, they are not secretly billionaires or born with a golden spoon. They just believe they are lucky. Welcome to the viral mindset trend taking over the internet, Lucky Girl Syndrome. And it might just be the most powerful psychological hack you have been ignoring. Stick with me because in the next few minutes I am going to show you the real reason Lucky Girl Syndrome works, backed by science, not fluff. How to rewire your mind to attract luck, and why this might be missing link between where you are and the life you have been dreaming of. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell because this channel is all about helping you level up your mindset, spirituality and life. Let's get started. What is Lucky Girl Syndrome? Lucky Girl Syndrome isn't about sitting around hoping for magic. It's not about privilege, and it's definitely not just for girls. It's a belief system, a mental framework. At its core, it's the belief that everything always works out for me, no matter what. It went viral on TikTok when a few creators shared how their life literally transformed when they started affirming that they were the luckiest people alive. Suddenly, jobs appeared out of nowhere, money started flowing in, relationship got better, traffic lights turned green, literally. Sounds stupid? Maybe. But here's the truth. Your brain doesn't care if something is true. It cares if you believe it. Let me give you some real examples. Take Jim Carrey. Before he became a megastar, he wrote himself a 10 million check for acting service rendered and carried it in his wallet. Years later, he got exactly that amount of Dumb and Dumber. Or Oprah Winfrey, who always believed she has destined for greatness, even when she was broke, abused and rejected. They are not just motivational fairy tales. They are proof that belief creates behavior and behavior shapes reality. Even recent viral TikTok creators who claim to use Lucky Girl Syndrome have shared screenshots of job offers, scholarship, unexpected travel wins, and even meeting the right person, all after shifting their mindset. They didn't wait to feel lucky, they decided they were. So how do you actually apply Lucky Girl Syndrome in real life? Let me give you 5 powerful steps. First, daily affirmations. Every morning and night say out loud, I am so lucky, everything always works out for me. Write in your journal, say it in the mirror, feel it. Second, visualize the luck. Close your eyes and imagine yourself receiving good news, meeting amazing people, or stumbling into a life-changing opportunity. Your brain doesn't know the difference between real and imagined events, so feed it images of success. Third, act as if. Start walking, talking, and choosing like someone who believes they are lucky. Smile more, be open, take inspired action. Fourth, detach from outcome. Lucky people don't obsess over how or when. They trust that things will work out and they keep moving. 5. Notice the signs. Keep a lucky journal where you write every small good thing that happened. Even if it's just catching a train on time, this trains your mind to see the lucky around you. You might say, but I don't feel lucky. Isn't this just lying to myself? No, it's reprogramming. When you go to gym, you don't feel strong the first week. You go anyway and strength comes. Same with your mind. If you've been feeding it doubt for years, it will resist positivity at first. But keep showing up, keep affirming, keep visualizing, and soon your belief will catch up with your words. So the next time you feel like life against you, try this instead. Decide you are lucky, say it, feel it, walk in it. Because even if it sounds stupid, your brain and your reality will start to believe it. If this video gave you a mindset shift, don't forget to like, comment, I am lucky below, and subscribe for more real world spiritually psychology. And remember, everything is always working out for you. Until next time, stay lucky.